Welcome to my brand new training video. In this training, I'm going to show you step by step how to make thousands of dollars every single month by promoting someone else's product, a product that's converting very good because of a unique approach they are giving away to people, which is not heard. And we're going to talk about a product that just doesn't give the customer everything they need to succeed online, but actually gives something even more powerful. This is the reason why this is converting very good. And I'm going to show you step by step how to make money like this and how to start driving traffic to this product. I'm going to show you real proof. Now, before I dive into this video, I want to show you something very special. I have a strategy manual that I am giving away. Alright, it's worth $997. I'm only charging $100 one-time payment to have this manual strategy that's going to show you step by step how to make unlimited $100 every single day in payment. As you can see on the screen right now, these are $100 payments coming in like clockwork for a person who created this manual strategy, and he is giving away everything: his best traffic source, his best traffic vendors, his free traffic network, how he's driving traffic, how you can do everything step by step. Okay, and it's worth $997, but only charging $100 to get access to this. All right, a one-time payment, and you're going to get access to everything that's going to allow you to make unlimited $100 a day every single day. Not just $100 a day, $100 payments, unlimited $100 payments, okay, every single day by using free traffic sources step by step. Okay, and not just that, this strategy manual, you're going to get reseller license to this strategy manual, which you can give away and charge $100. So not just that you're giving a complete 5- and 6-figure blueprint, but you're actually going to have reseller license to sell this strategy plan using the same free traffic source that's going to be shared in this manual, and you will able to make unlimited $100 payments. Now, if you are interested and serious and you really want to make money with this, I'm going to have the order form in my comment section box below this video. Okay, you could go to that order form, all right, and you can purchase this manual strategy where you're going to get access to the top business programs that we are part of, how we are making thousands of dollars every single month, the top traffic sources, paid traffic network, free traffic network, and a complete manual on step by step how to make money using free traffic sources with reseller license, and you'll get reseller license to this manual itself to sell and make unlimited $100 payments. Okay, so if you are interested, here's the website address that's popping up on your screen. You could open up a new browser, go to this website address, make your one-time payment $100, and once you have made your one-time payment $100, what you need to do is you need to come to Facebook, okay, and you need to get in touch with me. Okay, so this is my name. All right, you need to get in touch with me. You need to send me a personal message down here. Okay, send me a personal message telling me that you have purchased this $100 manual strategy where you will be able to make unlimited $100 payments every single day, and I will get this out to you as soon as possible. This is very powerful. As you can see down here, $100 just coming in like clockwork, and you're going to get access to this entire strategy manual with reseller license. Okay, so once you have joined, make sure you go to Facebook, or you could leave a comment for me telling me that I have purchased this, and I will get this out to you as soon as possible. So let's dive into this video, how to make thousands of dollars every single month, okay, by promoting someone else's product with a unique approach. So I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So with this, we're going to work with okay, affiliate network called Digistore24.com. okay, so if you don't have an account, go out there, create your free account with Digistore24, and when you have created your free account, you're going to come to the marketplace, and then you're going to select digital products. Okay, so they have so many products down here on the left hand side. You can see here they have animal and pets, betting system, business and investment, etc, etc. We're going to scroll down, and we are going to look for this online business and e-marketing. This is what we're looking for. Okay, they have 190 products. Okay, we're going to scroll back up, and then we're going to come here. Can you see here what it says, earning per sale? It's going to select you for popularity. We're going to get rid of that, and we're going to select earning per sale. We're going to scroll down, and we're going to look into this product here that's converting like clockwork. It's called Digital Wealth Academy. It's one of the offers that's trending so much, and here's why it's trending. Okay, this product is not just something that's giving you access to the product to watch training, but actually it's giving you the reseller license as well, so you can sell it yourself. And you can see here, once someone promote this product, what's going to happen is you're going to earn $147.41 in commissions. Okay, so this is a powerful product. Now I'm going to show you step by step how to promote this product. Okay, so let's dive into this. Now before I dive into this video, if you're loving my video, please give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. Share this video with the people you care. It will help someone. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button and leave a comment if you have any kind of questions. So let's get into this. If you just go back to Facebook, okay, if you go back to Facebook, what you want to do, you want to come to the search box Facebook here, and you want to join, you want to type in something like make money online. Okay, and then what you want to do, you want to join these groups. Okay, so let me just go back here. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna go to groups, and I'm just gonna type in make money online or work from home, and you're gonna find so many groups down here that you can join. You want to join 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 groups of the, okay, and you want to start posting down here, because when you start posting, you're going to start getting interaction, you're going to start receiving a lot of traffic. Okay, and this is how it works. All right, let me just show you one of the posts. Okay, as you can see here, if I just come here, okay, as you can see, here's something that I posted. Okay, start making non-stop $100 payments using this one strategy. Ask me how. I just shared that with you here. Okay, you can see this is what I'm sharing here. I'm giving away this manual strategy where you get access to a lot of cool stuff that's normally not shared, and the top internet gurus and internet millionaires do not share it. But you're getting everything here: which business we are part of, how we are making money, the traffic sources we are using, the free traffic, the paid traffic, our top vendors, traffic providers, and etc, etc. Everything you're getting here for just $100, plus you're getting reseller license to this manual, so you can sell it yourself and start earning, taking $100 payments. Okay, like I said, the website address is popping on your screen. You could go there and make your $100 payments, or you could go to the comment section box and make the payment and get access to this manual. It's a very powerful manual that will change your life if you take action and if you follow the steps. You only need 1 hour a day. Okay, if you have 1 hour a day, this is for you. All right, so this is what I'm sharing here. I'm doing it on Facebook as well. I'm sharing this. Okay, and what happens is people come here and they say how, and then you send them a DM, direct message, giving them all the instructions about, and we also teach you in this manual on how this all works and how you're going to send a message. It's a free traffic source. You just need 1 hour a day, and you need to do it on a daily basis. Okay, and when you start doing this, you're going to start getting these $100 payments. Now in this case, we are, instead of doing this manual, because we're going to promote this product, Digital Wealth Academy, what we're going to do is we are going to do the same thing, but we are going to change the text. We are going to put something interesting. So instead of doing something like this, what we're going to do is I'm going to come here, okay, and I want to write something down here. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to write something like let me show you how this one system made $147 without any website. Ask me how. Okay, that's it. I'm going to put this, and because I have joined so many groups, I'm going to come here and I'm going to select a couple of groups here. So you could select up to 3 groups. Just select those 3 groups down here. Okay, and then you just want to come back. Where's that gone? Okay, and then you just want to post it. When you post it, people are going to contact you, and then you're going to send them a direct message telling them about this product. So before you tell them anything about this product, you want to make sure you visit the sales page and get some information on what this product is all about and how it can help. And then you want to send them all that information in the message, and with that you want to put your affiliate link here to promote. So when you click on promote button, you want to click on promote now, and this is going to be something like this, your affiliate link. You want to make sure you take this affiliate link and then you go to a website called tinyurl.com, and you want to shorten that URL. Okay, do not post that direct link into Facebook, otherwise your message will not go through. So paste it here, get your let me just paste it and let me just show you, not this one. Okay, let me just go back and copy this, boom, let's just come here, paste and shorten URL, and there you go. This is my URL. Okay, so you want to write a complete text message in your Facebook message, all right, and then you want to put this link and say, if you have any questions, let me know. Guess what? You'll be amazed how many people are going to go out there, purchase this product, and you're going to earn $147.41. And not just that, the people who are going to say, yes, I want to know, these are the people that are really interested in learning how to make money online. These are targeted traffic, quality traffic, and they are sneak peek we are giving you, but you're going to get some exciting, powerful stuff in this manual that we're going to share that normally the top gurus and internet millions do not share, and you're going to get access to everything that's going to allow you to make this repeated unlimited $100 payments over and over and over again. Once again, if you want access to this, the link is in the comment section box. Just go there, make your $100 payment. Once you have made your $100 payment, come to Facebook. All right, come to Facebook and contact me direct messaging, okay, with your in your Facebook, so I could get this out to you as soon as possible. Even though after you made the payment, I will automatically know already that you have made the payment, but still I want you to message me directly on Facebook that you have made the payment, and I will get this out to you. I'm here to help you. I want to see you make money online. That's why I am trying my best to do everything in my possible way to get everything out to you so you can make money, and you have no excuse, my friend, no excuse. So once you have got this, okay, you got this product, this is one free traffic source I just showed you, but before you drive any kind of traffic to this direct linking, I just showed you a direct linking method, but make sure before you do that, you create a lead magnet page, that you can use to actually build a list, because when you build a list, you're gonna make 10x more money. So if you just do direct linking from the way I just showed you by getting your URL and then shortening it and then sending it out, you might make a couple of bucks here. But if you want to really make the big amount of money, you need to build that list. All right. Now you might be asking, wait a moment, if I build a list and I need to add some email follow-ups and this and that, I don't know how to do that. It's very simple, very easy. Let me just show you one of the powerful ways to create unlimited emails that you can use and start driving unlimited traffic. So let's dive into this. Okay, so we are here. We're going to use this powerful software called DeepSeek. For DeepSeek, we're going to tell DeepSeek that create some powerful emails for us, okay? So before I do that, let me just do something. Let me just get back to here, okay? So DeepSeek, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to come here and we're going to tell DeepSeek what we want. So first of all, you need to create your free account with DeepSeek. Go to deepseek.com, create your free account. Once you have created your free account, you're going to click on Start Now, okay? All right, so we have created start now, and after you have created start now, what you want to do, make sure you have selected these two, DeepSeek R1 and search. This is what we want. Now I have already prepared that exact thing what I want, so I'm going to come here, I'm going to copy this, and I'm just going to paste it directly into here and see what DeepSeek tells me about. So what did I do? First of all, you need to go to the product, you need to see what this product is all about, what they are offering, etc, etc, and then you want to ask these questions, and this is how you're going to create unlimited emails, my friend, unlimited emails. So let's get back into DeepSeek and just smash this inside, and let's see what DeepSeek has to give us. Okay, so DeepSeek's going to go inside. Okay, so there you go. DeepSeek is writing all my emails for me. How cool is that? No more hiring someone, no more telling someone, oh, I don't know what to write, I don't know what to do, I don't know how to do this. This is all done for you, my friend. Okay, so I told DeepSeek that I want, how many emails do I want? I want about 5 promotional emails. Now I could have turned this to 20 emails, 30 emails, 40 emails, 50 emails, okay? And I could have done this, and I could have crushed it with 30, 40, 50 emails, okay? But I just told them, give me 5 emails, powerful emails, professional emails, engaging emails, and DeepSeek doing is all the heavy lifting for me. So there you go. You can see here, look at all these emails. Look at this, man. Look at this. This is looking so good, so great. And this is how you're going to make money. Okay, so powerful way. What you want to do, you want to take each of these emails. If you already have a list, you could send a broadcast message, a newsletter, and smash that email out with these subject lines and with these emails. You're going to get a very, very good open rate and a click-through rate. If you don't have an email list and you're still building an email list, you could just copy and paste these emails as an email follow-up, and you could start sending out emails, and autopilot email will go out. Okay, now stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I've got some powerful videos coming your way where I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited traffic and unlimited leads and free leads using a program to get so much traffic and sales. So make sure you continue to watch my video. And like I said, if you're still interested, okay, in getting this manual, make unlimited $100 payments, links in my description box, website address popping up on the screen, and also link in the comment section box below this video. If you want me to cover any topic within my channel, then let me know in the comment section box. I'm willing to help you. I want to see you make money online. Okay, and if you have any kind of question related to anything, traffic generation, internet marketing, work from home, lead generation, campaign creation, just leave a comment section, leave a question in your comment section box, and I will be more than happy to help you out, because I want to see you make money online. I respond to all questions, so you could check that out yourself. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully I will see you in the next video.